I would desire you to eat it.
Not for Cadwallader and all his goats.
There's the goat for you. Would you be so good, skull knave, as to eat it?
Base Trojan, thou shalt die!
You say but a true skull knave when God's will is. I would desire you to live in the meantime and eat your victuals. Come, let us talk to it. You called me yesterday a mountain squire, but today I will make you a squire of low degree. I say you fall true. If you can mock a leaf, you can easily.
Captain, you're a still.
I say I'll make you eat some of my meat, or I'll keep the steak for days. Bite, I say you. 'Tis good for your clean wound and your bloody coxcomb.
Must I fight?
Yes, certainly, no doubt, and I'm bigger you too.
Fight and sleek, I will most hardly revenge. Eat.
You have some more sauce for me. There's not enough meat to swear by.
Why, thy cousin, let us see I eat.
Much good do you, skull knave, heartily. Nay, I say you throw none away. The skin is good for your broken coxcomb. I leaks it good. Oh. There's a groat to fill my pace.
Me, a groat?
Yes, verily and in truth. And you shall take it, or else I have another leak in my pocket which you shall eat.
I take thy groat and earnest of revenge!
If I owe you anything, I will pay you in cudgels. You will not be a good longer, and my happiness is but cudgels. Buy me and eat me. Feel your pain.
Go, you are a counterfeit, cowardly knave. Will you mock an ancient tradition, begun upon an honorable respect, and worn as a memorable trophy to deceased valor, and dare not avouch in your deeds any of your words? I've seen you gleeking and gulling at this gentleman, twice or thrice. You thought he could not handle his cudgel. He could not speak the English language. You find it otherwise. And henceforth let a Welsh correction teach you a good English condition. Fare ye well.
So fortune plays out her wife with thee now. News have I that my Nell is dead in the spittle of the malady of France, and there my rendezvous was quite cut off. Old I do wax, and from my wearied limbs honor is cudgeled. Well, bald I'll turn, and something lean to cutpurse and of quick hand. To England will I steal, and there I'll steal, and patches will I get unto these cudgel scars, and swear I got them in the Gallia War.